Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to unbox something special because this is a 1K special episode. And as I promised, we are going to unbox that one. Yeah. So this one is the STH of I think N case, the Porsche 935. And before I unbox this one, I need to thank you all the subscribers who and even the non-subscribers who are watching the video on regular basis and supporting me throughout this year, past 1 year. So last November I actually started this channel. So it's exactly 1 year now, and we got a STH as well to unbox now. And this upcoming is going to be really great. So we got a lot of good things coming up. And with that said, let's unbox this one. And I'm really excited because this is my very first super treasure hunt. So I really just wanted to unbox it, and I am not going to keep it in card and going to sell it to some other person for thousands, even 10,000 of rupees. So I'm just going to open it and keep it in a box, or I'm just going to play with it, or I'll just in future I'll just let my kid play with it. I'm not going to sell this one. Okay, so with that said, let's just unbox this one. So I do have the regular version of this particular one. I didn't unbox it yet. So my very first STH. So the initial impressions are okay. It looks really nice. I know the wheels are supposed to be made of rubber. Yeah, it is made of rubber. Sorry, the tires are made of rubber, and the paint job looks really nice. It is not very perfect. It looks really nice. So here is the TH logo. Okay, let me show you the normal version once. I didn't unbox it yet, mind you guys. I'm just going to show the difference. So as you can see here, so the bottom one is the normal version. You can see the rims in this one is a really lot different. So this rims looks pretty cool compared to this one, and almost the see, I personally prefer the paint job on this one because it is a glittery one. I think this one is a Spectra Flame paint job if I'm not wrong, but still this one looks really glittery, and it really pops when you are shining some light on it. So okay, let's get to this one. So there are some scratches on the windshield. So the spoiler is actually made of metal. This is not plastic. I know Hotwheels doesn't have any suspension or anything, but yeah, it doesn't have anything. Okay, as usual, let's do a roll test. I really don't care if it is a STH or TH, I'll just do it. No, it is not even rolling, man. If you are not going to play with the Hot Wheels, then why does it matter whether it's a STH or TH? See, even in this surface, this is very smooth surface here. It is not rolling. And here it is worst. That's it. There is no wheel wobble or anything like that, but so the tires are actually made of rubber, and maybe that might be the case, I guess. I know a lot of collectors are going to be crazy over this one, and again I'm not planning to sell this one. So they have rear view mirrors, which is a great addition. So I hope they actually put the rear view mirrors in literally every model, so that would look really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.